Line 13. Tai yang wind strike, floating yang and weak yin, yang floating, fever is spontaneous, and yin weak, sweat is spontaneous. If there is a bit aversion to cold, a bit aversion to wind, a bit fever, resonant sound of nose and retching, cinnamon twig decoction, guiji tang, governs. Guiji tang ingredients. Cinnamon twig, guiji, Cinnamomi ramulus, 3 liang, remove bark. Peony, Xiao, peony radix, 3 liang. Honey fried licorice, Xiao, glycerize radix, 2 liang. Fresh ginger, Shang, zingiberous rhizoma recens, 3 liang, cut. Juju, de Zhou, fructus, 12 pieces, broken. Conversion tables. 1 jin equals 250 grams. 1 liang equals 15.625 grams. 1 ju equals 1/24 of a liang. 1 ge equals 20 milliliters. 1 sheng equals 200 milliliters equals 6.76 fluid ounces. 1 dou equals 10 shang. Method of taking guiji tang. For the 5 ingredients, break ingredients into small pieces and use 7 shang of water. Boil over a mild flame to get 3 shang and remove the dregs. Take 1 shang at moderate temperature. Shortly after taking the first dose, drink approximately 1 shang of hot, thin gruel to reinforce the strength of the medicinals. Covering with a blanket until the whole body is moist, as if sweating very lightly. Cannot allow the sweat to flow like water, since the disease will not be eliminated. If one dose causes sweating and the disease is diminished, cease taking further doses. Do need not finish the whole packet. If sweating is absent, take another dose according to the previous method. If sweating is again absent, reduce the time between doses, finishing 3 doses in half a day. If the disease is severe, take doses throughout the whole day, and observe the patient the whole time. Foods contraindicated while taking the formula include raw and cold foods, sticky and slimy foods, meat, the 5 acrids, liquor, milk products, and foods with a peculiar or spoiled flavor or odor. This line talks about treatment of Tai Yang Zhong phone, wine strike, syndrome. Line 2 talks about the outline of Tai Yang wind strike. The pulse image of Tai Yang Zhong phone is yang floating and yin weak. Yang floating means slightly touch the Chung Guan Qi 3 position, easily feel the pulse. Yin weak mean deep touch the Chung Guan Qi 3 position, pulse is relative weak. A bit aversion to cold and wind, a bit fever, because pathogen is the exterior wind evil. See line 2, treatment with cinnamon twig decoction. Taking cinnamon twig decoction, first must promote sweat, solve the muscle level pathogen. Second, sweating method need very careful, only slightly sweat. Taking hot, thin gruel help promote sweating. Cold food, greasy food will affect the stomach qi, reduce guiji tang effect. Guiji pair with Shang Jiang, pungent herb help promote sweating, relieve wei level pathogen. Xiao pair with de Zhou, nourish the yin de Zhou sweet, can tonify spleen and replenish body fluid. Xiao is sour nature, sour with sweat transformed to yin, strength the yin. Tai Yang Zhongfeng pathogenesis is Wei strong and Ying weak. Guiji plus Shengjiang can disperse the wind evil of Wei level. Xiao and de Zhou can tonify the yin. Shiganqiao regulate yin and yang, tonify the qi. The 5 ingredients also is the seasoning in the kitchen. Benefit for the stomach. Guiji decoction can harmonize ying and wei for exterior, qi and blood, spleen and stomach interior, and regulate yin and yang. Xiao Jian decoction is made of double peony and maltose on the basis of guiji deoction to treat deficiency abdominal pain. It is based on guiji decoction, because guiji decoction has the function of harmonizing spleen and stomach, qi, and blood. In Synopsis of the Golden Chamber, guiji plus longu and muli decoction, it used to treat men's nocturnal emission. Women have sex dream, heart and kidney inability to communicate. Based on guiji decoction, it is because guiji decoction has the function of communicating the heart and kidney and harmonizing yin and yang. Shang Jing listed guiji decoction at the first prescription. No matter what kind of disease, the treatment method nothing more than regulate yin and yang. Guiji tang reflects Zhang Jing's guiding ideology of treating all kinds of disease. The sweating of guiji decoction has the following characteristics. First, promote sweating to stop sweating. Tai Yang Zhong Feng itself has sweat, is caused by the Wei strong Ying weak. After taking guiji decoction, relieve the evil of Wei level, then the Ying and Wei will harmony, the abnormal sweating will stop. The second character is that the 5 herbs work together promote sweating without damaging the positive qi, tonify the yin without leaving evil inside.